If your profile picture on Facebook is not updating, in today's video, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do in this case is try to remove the app of Facebook from the recent list and try to open it up again and try to see if the issue is fixed. If this is not the issue with you, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the Facebook app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear data option. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now change your profile picture. If you're still having issues, what you can also try out is look for any new updates available. Head over to Play Store, search for Facebook, and if you do see new updates available for the Facebook application, you can just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, what you can also try out is try to update your profile picture using a web browser. You can also do this from the desktop or your laptop by opening up a web browser, or you can also do it straight away from your mobile. Just search for facebook.com and try to log into your account and try to see if you can update the profile picture from this section. If you're still having issues with this, then that likely means Facebook is down right now, so you just need to wait out a couple of hours before you try to update your profile picture. I hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.